Namaste everyone, welcome back to Adiyogam. So today we are going to do something interesting. We are going to combine strength and also mobility together for your hip joint. Are you all ready? And before that, don't forget to watch entire video because in between every segment I'll be giving you many interesting facts which you should be aware of that. Alright, let's get started. Right, let's begin this session being a child's pose. Now come up on your palm, on your knees. Stack your palms beneath your shoulder, knees beneath your hip. Engage your core, come into tabletop. Push your shoulders away from the ears, engage your core, neutral spine. Lift your left knee, point your left toe. So keeping your knee as much as possible in line with your hip, press your left toe to the ceiling. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Drop it down by the side of your right. Now lift your knee to the sideways. 1, down, 2, down, 3, down, 4, down, 5, down into tabletop. Same on the other side. Lift your right knee, point your toe. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Drop your knee by the side of your left. Lift your right knee to the side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Back to tabletop. Neutral spine. Now stretch your left leg back. Inhale. Lift your left leg in line with your hip joint. Exhale. Take your left leg to the right side. Inhale, center. Exhale, left leg outside your left hand as much as possible, keeping your left knee straight. Inhale, back. Exhale to the right. Inhale, center. Exhale, outside your left. Do this 3 more. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Last one. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale and stay here. Keep it as much as possible comfortably. Bend your left knee. Your knee and your ankle in same line. Drop your right elbow down as if you're going to hold your left ankle, but don't need to hold. Just bring your fingertips in line with your heels. Rise your left hand all the way up. Inhale. Exhale. Drop your left forearm in front of the right. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Stay here. Keep your left elbow down. Rise your right hand up. Inhale. Exhale. Now you'll see the challenge. Inhale. Exhale. Give me last one. Inhale. Exhale. From here, come up on your palm. Now step your left leg back. Come into tabletop. Check your posture. Palms beneath your shoulder, knees beneath your hip. Core engaged. Now same on the other side. Inhale, straighten your right leg. Lift your right leg. Exhale, drop it to the left side. Inhale, center. Exhale. Mobile these days, we can check our emails on our phones, we can hop in the car, we can get into another state or a country within few hours, and we can also get food delivered instantly to our homes. Social mobility, financial mobility, mobile phones, Google Maps, yeah, that means the mobility is highly priced. Then what about joint mobility? Keep watching this video, you'll get to see more details. See you there. Inhale, exhale. Last two more. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Last one. Almost there. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Stay here. Bend your right knee, your knee and your ankle in same line. Right now from here, drop your left hand down, left forearm, left fingertips in front of your, by the side of your right heel. Rise your right hand all the way up. Inhale, exhale. Drop your right forearm in front of the left, as much as you feel comfortable. Good. Inhale, reach up. Exhale, down. Inhale, exhale. Give me two more. Inhale, exhale. Inhale and exhale. Stay here. Now keep your right hand in the same position. Rise your left hand up. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. This makes it more challenging for me. Inhale, exhale. Works for your shoulders very nicely. Inhale, exhale. Give me two. Inhale, exhale. Give me last one. Inhale. There you go. Exhale. Drop it down. Come up on your palm. Step your right leg back. Come into tabletop. Now from here, push your hip back, tucking your toes. Stretch your hands forward. Come into child's pose. Take one or two deep inhalations and completely exhale. Now, from here, come into downward facing dog. So here, keep your heels closer, toes apart. Right, keep your hands firmly. From there, bend your knee, push your hip down, keeping your arms in the same position without touching your knees to the floor. Next inhalation, step your right foot outside your right palm. Turn your right toe to the sideways. Drop your left heel. Straighten your right leg. Place your hands in front of your heart center. Skandhasana. From there, walk your hands to the left side. Pivot your foot. Right leg on your toe. Left toe pointing 90 degree. Drop your right knee. If you're comfortable, rise your hand all the way up and exhale. Take your hands to the sideways. Open up your wings. Lift your chin. Inhale, rise up. Exhale, drop it down. Again, back to Skandhasana. Lift your right toe. From there, exhale. Hands inside. Left leg on your toe. Step your right leg back into V shape. Bending your knees, push your buttocks. Now same on the other side. Inhale, step your left, drop your right heel, straighten your left, hands to the heart. From there, turn your body to the top of your mat, left leg on your toe, keep your right foot firmly, drop your left knee, rise your hands all the way up. Exhale, open up your wings, lift your chin. Inhale up, exhale down, back into Skandhasana. Inhale, hands inside, right leg on your toe. Exhale, frog pose, down dog position. Right. Pick up groceries or walk upstairs or perform any number of mundane tasks requiring the use of your joints and limbs. If those joints and limbs are to be useful, then they have to be mobile. They need a full range of motion. Do you know the most common deficiency is found in hip joint? Hip mobility will improve the relationship with the rest of your body because hips are the most common sites of poor mobility. That's why this video is very important. That's how it gives you the benefits of improving your mobility in the hip joint. Give me one more set. Other side. From here, come into down dog and pedal your legs. See the difference? Internal, external rotation of your hip. Come into child's pose. From here, come into downward facing dog. Lift the tailbone, draw your belly. Now from here, walk your hands one by one towards your legs. Feet apart, feet parallel to each other. Bend your knee, come into Malasana. This is evergreen posture to increase your hip mobility and also feel the strength. Right now, here comes my favorite sequence. So this one is called frog jump and also twisting stretch. Drop the hands in front of your toe where you can keep your elbows straight and then lift your buttocks, jump, keep your feet outside a little bit forward of your fingers. Okay. Again drop it forward, one step, jump. Now from here, straighten your knees, walk your legs closer, left feet outside your right leg, cross your legs, forward fold. From here, walk your hands from the left, twist, feet apart, come into Malasana, feet parallel, hands to the heart. Right, now same on the other side again, straighten your hands, jump, hands to the heart, jump, hands to the heart. Drop the hands, straighten your knees, walk your legs closer, feet together. And this time, take your right leg behind your left by the side. From here, from here, forward fold. Halfway lift, walk your hands to the right. Come into Malasana. Now do this 2 times. Going forward, coming back. 2 times, but with a little bit variations. You can raise your hands while in Malasana. Drop it, jump. Inhale, exhale. Yeah, and then forward fold. Walk your legs, left leg behind. Stay here. Don't forget to give 1 forward fold. Inhale, head up. Other side. Drop your buttocks. Inhale. Longer hours impacts your hip mobility in 2 major ways. Number 1, it shortens your gluteus, and number 2, it weakens your hip flexor. Hip flexor muscles are a very important part of your hip mobility because it has 4 major muscles involved. Your gluteus and hip flexor contributes prominently in activating your hips. So when they are weak and inactive, the lower backs take over. Regaining and restoring hip mobility helps in several areas. Reduce your lower back pain and also reduce the knee pain as well. Come into Malasana. Stay here for 3 deep and long breaths. Drop the hands down. Come into standing forward fold. Feet apart with hip distance. Bend your left knee. Keep your left fingertips on palm. Raise your right hand. Gentle twist. Exhale down. Switch your legs. Inhale. Left hand up. Exhale down. Inhale. Right. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale down. Stay here. Walk your hands forward. Come into down dog. Until then, stay tuned to Adiyogam. Namaste.